Welcome. Today we have a video for you. We are going to give you the lowdown on how to tuck your shirt, how to tie your shirt, how to notch your shirt, and even when not to do it. So definitely we give you a lot of styling tips. You'll probably have seen our most wearable fall trends, or even, the denim that's the most flattering for women over the age of 40. However, this is definitely a technique that Kelly and I use to really help to make our clothes look a lot more tailor-made for ourselves, because sometimes you can have a shirt that's a little bit flowy or maybe a little bit too long. So it's a great tip for you to have. Definitely one you should put in your playlist, because I promise you're going to want to go back and refer to this video in the future.
Absolutely. I feel like it is a game changer for every outfit. And if you guys are new to our channel, I'm Kelly. This is my best friend, Christina. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you love all things fashion. We make videos every Sunday and Thursday, and we would love to have you back.
The first tuck we're going to be sharing with you is the full tuck. So this is one that you are going to take all of that material and you are going to tuck it into your pants all the way around. You don't want the material to be too tight or too loose, but just enough give to really help to create a nice silhouette. A full tuck is definitely one that will probably be mostly used for a dressier occasion. So whether you have a really pretty blouse that you're wearing, possibly with some high-waisted jeans, or even a paper bag waist detailed pant or short, a full tuck really is going to be super flattering on the body. It also gives a very tailored look, and it creates great waist definition. This is also another tuck that we will use often if we are styling either a cami or a t-shirt underneath something. So it could be a kimono or a blazer or even a cardigan. So that kind of waist definition underneath a third layering piece really is super flattering for the body and creates just the perfect proportions. So if you're someone who does have a little bit of some tummy insecurity and some tummy issues, you may not like this tuck very much because it's kind of exposing and drawing attention to that area. However, we're going to be sharing with you so many different tucks and ties and knots and all sorts of stuff today that there might be other ones that you prefer.
This next tuck that we're sharing with you is probably Christina and my most used tuck, and that is the front tuck. So you're going to do this by just taking a small piece of fabric, the very front of your top, and tucking it into the front of your pants. Now this one is actually really adjustable. You can really personalize it based on your own needs. So you can tuck as little or as much of the front of your shirt in as you like, and then just gently pull the sides out to the desired area. So if you have maybe some issues with a little bit of love handles or muffin top, you may choose to have more of the sides kind of falling out gently around the body, kind of creating like a triangular type of shape with your shirt. Or if you want to expose a little bit more of your waist area, then you might be tucking more of the front and just leaving the back of your shirt untucked. So that is the front tuck. So the front tuck is one of our favorites for so many reasons. First of all, it is very easy, very user-friendly. It's great for casual looks, which of course we wear a lot of casual styles. This one really is adjustable to your body type. So if you're someone who wants to have a little bit of coverage in your backside area, having a front tuck will allow you to show a little bit of waist definition while still having your blouse fall over your bum area and cover up anything that you want to cover up. You can really adjust this based on what you're looking for. So if you want to have more along the sides, flowing over any muffin top area, you can do that as well. Or you can tuck more of your shirt in and just leave a little bit out. So it really is up to you. It really works best with thinner fabrics because a bulkier fabric is going to create too much of a bulge in the front area, which can really add to a tummy look, and you don't want to do that. This is also great for shorter tops. So anything that doesn't have too much extra length, like a tunic top, would not be a good idea with a front tuck because all that extra fabric is going to bulge up in the front of your pants and not be flattering. So definitely this one works best with casual looks. It works best with shorter tops, and it is very easy and very flattering. So you just kind of play with it. You don't want it to be too tight in front, but you also don't want it to be too loose and baggy. So you're just going to adjust it to your own needs. We use this one all the time, and it works really well. It can be super flattering and a great way to show your waist without having to tuck in your entire shirt.
Okay, ladies, there are some occasions when we don't even tuck our shirt in at all. Certain types of tops already create great waist definition, which is the reason why we don't even need to tuck them in. So you could be wearing a wrap style top, which you know Kelly and I, we absolutely love. It's creating all that great waist definition, so you don't need to tuck in that type of top. Also, peplum tops are another type of style that helps to cinch in that waist. The other type of tops are even some of these flowier tops, like a baby doll style or a peasant style top. You can definitely leave those untucked as it is. Also, if you are wearing a crop top with a pair of high-waisted jeans, or even a blouse or a top that has a band at the hem, definitely no tucking is required.
Our next way for styling your shirt is to knot it. What you're going to do is you're going to take some of that extra fabric from your t-shirt or your top, and you're going to gather it over to the side and tie it into a little knot. Or if you don't want to stretch out your t-shirt, you can also do this by using a clear elastic. Christina and I usually like to do ours slightly off to the side, but you can also put it a little bit in the center. It really is up to you. This knotted look is great for casual looks. It's wonderful, especially for t-shirts. We love to use it with thinner fabric t-shirts. We love our v-neck t-shirts. And the great thing about this is it just gives a little element of style and really helps to create more of a waist shape. So by bringing that fabric over to the side, it almost creates like a wrap or ruching type of effect where you're drawing everything in, that fabric in, and you're creating that very feminine detail to your t-shirt. This is also going to be great for larger size t-shirts, maybe if you lost some weight and your t-shirt is fitting very loose, or you just have an oversized t-shirt with some extra fabric. You can grab that extra fabric, pull it over to the side and knot it, or use your clear elastic, and it's really going to be a game changer. It takes something that is very simple and can be a little bit blah and really makes it cute and feminine. So this is one that we absolutely love and definitely use often. It also works great if you're layering your t-shirt underneath an outer layer, just to add a little element of interest.
Another great option is the front tie. So this is where you'll take a button-down shirt and leave either one or two of the buttons undone, and then taking the two ends of the shirt and tying them twice into a double knot. So I love this front tie technique. Definitely, it's a very casual and fun little detail to be able to add to your shirts. It's also a great way to be able to add some waist definition. Some shirts will already come with this front tie detail. However, if you're going to be using this technique at home, most likely you're going to be using a casual cotton button-down shirt in order to create this look. So this is definitely one that we love using. We have styled it with skirts, we've styled it with our denim, we've even done it with some denim shorts. It's definitely just that casual, carefree kind of look. Sometimes when you are using this front tie look, some of you have mentioned that you hate the fact that when you raise your arms, it exposes some of your belly. So we're definitely going to link down below for you a hack video that's going to show you how to be able to secure this front tie so that way it doesn't matter how many times you raise your arm, that front tie is going to stay right in place.
This final technique is one that we call the side tuck, and this one is so easy and user-friendly. So all you have to do is take a little bit of fabric off to one side and just slightly tuck it into your pants, your shorts, your skirt, in that little side area, just a small piece of the fabric. You can also add a little twist to the fabric before tucking it in if you like. So that's a little variation. It can create a little bit of a ruching or a wrap type of look to it and define the waist even a little bit more. So it's just a little style element we like to add. So this side tuck is a great one. It's very user-friendly, lots of different fabrics. We especially love this one for those bulkier sweaters. So when you have a fabric that's a bit bulky, like a sweater, it's very hard to front tuck that because then you're going to create all of this poochiness in the front. However, just taking a little tiny piece of that sweater and giving it the slightest tuck in the side of your bottoms is really going to help to create some interest, to give you a little bit of shape, to show off a little bit of the waist area that you just won't get if you leave your sweater untucked. So this is one you'll definitely see us using when we're wearing those winter sweaters, those cowl necks. This is a great look. You can also use it for things like blouses or t-shirts if you just want a slight tuck off to the side. It looks very haphazard and very casual and carefree, but it's also very flattering and a great styling trick. This one is also especially friendly if you have any kind of tummy issues, maybe like a mommy pouch that you're a little bit insecure about. By giving just that little side tuck, you're allowing the rest of the fabric to kind of flow right over that insecurity and really just hide whatever you're feeling uncomfortable with. So this is a very mommy friendly tuck as well.
Okay, ladies, so we have given you all the information we have for tucking, tying, and knotting your shirt. If you have any sort of questions, further questions that maybe we didn't answer in today's video, leave a comment down below. We really appreciate it when you guys communicate with us. It gives us a better idea of what it is you guys want or need advice on. And until next time, bye!